25-10, the last set. Patch Katana is with the player of the game. Patch?
Yes, I am with Tony Tan, the best player of the game. Congratulations, Tony.
Thank you po.
Okay, so during the last set, sabi ni coach sa'yo na maging aggressive ka pa sa blockers ng NU. Ano-anong adjustments ang ginawa mo dito?
I just stayed focused during the game. And ayun nga, laging kinip in mind ko yung sinabi ni coach sa akin na maging aggressive pa talaga. Ayun lang, just stay focused.
And now na nagsimula na ang round 2, ano ba ang gusto mong i-improve pagdating sa game mo?
About my game, I'd like to improve on my blocking po. Tapos yung sa spike ko. Kasi medyo inconsistent pa ako pagdating sa spiking is good. So ayun.
Tony, may gusto ka bang batiyan? Pwede mo silang batiyan ngayon.
Binabati ko yung parents ko, nanonood sila sa bahay, tsaka yung relatives ko sa Cabanatuan State sa Cavite. And yung teammates ko nandun po sa likod.
Okay, thank you very much, Tony, and congratulations. Back to you, Chicken Mosey.
All right, Patch, thanks. And Mosey, it looks like we're gonna see more of this girl, huh?
Yes, what a